The cost of some prescription drugs could soon be going down. Pfizer reaching a deal with the White House to avoid new pharmaceutical tariffs that take effect today in exchange for reducing prices on certain medications. NBC's senior business correspondent, Christine Roman's here to break it all down for us. So, Christine, tell us about this deal with Pfizer. What does it do and what does it not do?
So it lowers prices on some popular medications for people who use Medicaid on the Medicaid program, right? So we're talking about a White House deal with one company in one program, but lowering prices really important here because we know the prices for drugs are something that really are bothersome for consumers. So this would reduce drug prices for Medicaid patients. It would start sometime next year. The White House is touting a new website, a direct-to-consumer website it calls TrumpRx. And then this, of course, would exempt Pfizer for the next 3 years for those tariffs you were talking about. What kind of drugs are we talking about? There's a Duavi. This is a $30 drug that would be an 85% price cut, Pfizer says. Another one called Toviaz. That is a bladder drug. That's an eczema drug on the bottom. The top one is a drug for menopause. But these are just some of the numbers, and Pfizer touting that these are big cost reductions here. What the White House really wants U.S. customers to be able to pay as much as they pay in other countries, where sometimes it's a lot less in other countries.
So for right now, it's if you're on Medicaid, and you have to go to the TrumpRx website, direct to consumer, you have to buy it there.
Yeah, so if you have insurance, if the average person with insurance, this doesn't really apply to you, so it's kind of a narrow window of lower prices here. But the White House says it's going to be talking to other companies as well and hopefully lowering some other important drug prices through other companies, too.
We'll see if it catches on. The tariffs go into effect today for the other pharmaceutical companies. Okay, we'll see what effect they have. Thank you.